Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. This is our 4th day here in Alaska, mga kuracha. At bababa ulit kami mamaya pag huminto. Yun po, oh, nag-yellow. Mga kuracha, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Ang oras dito ay siguro 8:30 AM. Ayan po, ang daming yellow. Alam, ginaw mamaya niyan. Magbe-breakfast. Don't be later po. Akit kami sa 11th floor. Doon kami magbe-breakfast. Social.
Brunch tayo.
So, ito po ang breakfast ko ngayon.
Breakfast
roll, bacon, hash brown, omelette, konting beans para may protein, at corned beef sa ilalim. Kain po. Yan kay Dorothy. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko pa natitik. Hindi naman ikaw kasali. Ito po ang aking second batch. Nalagyan kasi ng hilaw na itlog kaya kumuha ako ng paniwag. Banana muffin, French toast, and this one is, ano ba to? Pancake, bacon, and fruits. Kain ulit. Kain ulit. Nakakakuracha, o. Tignan nyo may yellow. Tipak-tipak.
Bundok ko.
Tapos ayun po yung mountain. It's snowing here. Sobrang lamig po kaya nagyayelo lahat. Kaya po, excuse me po, iba na yung lasa. Kaya po, pag pupunta kayo dito, tapos sinipong kayo, yung sipon nyo magyayelo din. Okay? Sarap dito. Later po.
Baka, minsan makakita ka ng kuya.
So, akit kami sa deck. Ay, hindi naman deck, sa taas. Lalabas kami ng lamig, nagdoble ako. Nakikita ko sa inyo mga kuracha. Yan po yung yellow. Ang lamig po mga kuracha. Diyos mio. 4 na doble suot ko. Tingnan nyo. Meron ako nito. Meron pa ako ng isang sweater and sweater jacket. Light jacket. T-shirt. Meron pa sa loob na sando. Malamig pa rin po. Pero ang ganda. Look. Kinukuhanan po ako ni Don P. Kuhanan ko din siya. Alright. Ganda po dito mga kuracha. Sana kasama po yung mga anak at apo rito. Kapitbahay and everybody. Ang pagkain non-stop. Susuko ka. But not so healthy. Ayan. Market po kami sa deck. Also merong tennis. Chukchak tennis dito. Pwede nyo gamitin. Ang lamig. Nag-aaya sa taas si Don P. Naliligo na yung iba. Diyos ko. Sa swimming pool yan, oh. Grabe. Ang lamig-lamig. Kung naligo ako sa banyo. Hindi ko kaya yan, mahangin. Saka I didn't bring my toothpaste, we. Cookies pa gusto. Ay, muntik pa ako malaglag. Ayun oh, ganda oh. Dito kami sa deck. Woohoo! Wow, ang ganda po dito. Ayun ang yelo.
Bulan.
Ayan po yung mga yelo. Ganda. Pwede po kayong maghalo-halo dito. Sahog na lang ang kulang, pero yellow pwede na. Yun o. Naliligo sila, nag-yelo. Oh my gosh, so cold. Arte. Kita nyo ba mga kuratsa? Oh. Baba muna kami. Mainit. Sakbalat. Malamig na mainit. Tumalong ka kaya dyan. Kaya po yung mga nalalaglag dyan, hindi na mabubukay. Ba? Wala si Don P. Ay, si Don P, oh. Bumababa. Init. Po mga kakuratsa, mainit sa balat yung araw, pero alam niyo naman ako may vertigo. Ayun o, yellow donut yellow. Donut touch. So ganda po dito. Ayun, so, outdoor pool. Init. Sisilong muna po tayo, sobra ng vitamin to. Ay, kakahingal din ah. Kuha ng kuha si Don P. Yung mukha ko po nalamig. Dala akong bonnet kaya lang huwag bonnet. Pag inalis mo yung bonnet, mukha ka ng bruha. So hindi ko alam kung ilang araw. Mamaya ang alas 2 ibababa kami another port, pero Alaska pa rin. So dito po sa Alaska ay meron na kaming internet siguro o wala-wala. Tapos ang ibabayad mo rito ay US dollar na. Kasi part na ng US to. Alrighty, later. Magang-maga po may naliligo oh. Grabe. Nagyayelo dito pero dami pa rin naliligo. May indoor din pong swimming pool dito. Ito po gawa nung nag-aalaga ng aming room, si John. Pinoy din siya. Thank you sa'yo. Galing ah. Art. Ginawa niya po yan. Tuwing umaga, gumagawa siya ng ganyan. Thank you. Sana yung whale. Nawala na.
Wala na siguro. Malayo tayo sa ano eh. Kanina sa fjord. Hindi na to fjord open water.
Check 4. Doors opening.
Lunch next time mga kuratsa kung ano-ano kinuha ko. Happy birthday to Ate Amy. She's celebrating her birthday here in the cruise. We love you. More birthdays to come. More, what do you call this? Good health, more money, and everything. That's it mga kuratsa. Okay, kawai. Girl.
See you greetings, but I can't respond.
Salamat daw sa lahat ng bumati kay ate. Wala kaming net eh. So, thank you guys. Later.
Sumakay ng helicopter.
Mga kakuratsa, touchdown Juneau, Alaska. Mababa na kami ng ship. Naghahanap kami ng coaster. Look at that. Ang daming tao. Everybody's here. Ayun po yung sinakyan namin. Alrighty. Kaya kami dito. Oh my God. Ang hangin. Yan. Ang haba po ng pila mga mag-i-excursion kasama namin. Ang dami namin. Grabe punta. Oh. Dito na kami sa Juneau.
Alright folks, I'm going to be blowing up to the curb at a bit of an angle here. I just unfortunately can't get quite directly onto the curb there.
Ay, sinakyan namin sa
what we're
kabila.
going to do is just watch
Parang
your step
layo,
as you
lapit
get
lang.
off the bus here.
Ayun. Bababa na po
Go
kami.
as close as we can. Likely to be a bit of a gap between the bus and the curb. Just wait till I hop out.
So, ito po yung inaantay namin ng tour sa Coastal Helicopters Excursion po. Ang gaganda nila. Yung mga humahawak. It's gonna be our tour. Yung birthday girl. Cable car nga yan. Ito po cable car yung sasakay kami dyan. We'll see. Waiting kami dito mga kuratsa, may excursion kami. Naantay pa namin yung aming naputol mga kuratsa, napindot ko. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda rin. Juneau, Alaska. Malamig lang po, mahangin. Buti hindi umuulan, mas lalong malamig po umuulan. Sana kasama namin lahat ng pamilya namin, mas masaya. Ayan po. Update lang mamaya. Ayan po mga kuratsa, ang bus. The green bus. Obvious ba green? Green na green. Tagal nung ano namin, ginaw dito. Ayun na, may bahay sa taas. Antipolo. Later po ulit.
Oh, there's another.
Ayan po, ang daming nagtutour. Sabi ka ni Don P, tumpok-tumpok daw mga tao.
Ice cream.
Ayun po.
They say that this is the first time.
You must buy a ticket to get here. So you can either put your vehicle on a barge in Seattle. It takes about 10 days to get here and about 6 months to unload it. Seems. It says locally owned. If it doesn't say locally owned or Alaska owned, don't get me wrong, I don't care where you shop. Cross the road and down the hill. Yep, it's for sale. This is City, and I'm not kidding, check my social media. Nothing I'm going to lie to you about today. This is City Hall. Nothing gets done in there. Moving on. Okay, look up the hill to the right. You're going to see our Capitol. We have won a contest that I guarantee you didn't even come close. There it is, two-tone tan building. Flags up there. Almost 20 years ago, we were voted the ugliest Capitol building in the United States. There's no gold dome on the roof. That's as fancy as it gets. It's the tiniest thing ever. But we were in a hurry to move it, so that's what we ended up with. You'll go to concerts at home. This is Centennial Hall. This is where Courtney and I will go to a concert. It's people that you could have swore have been dead for years, still trying to sing and sell a concert in Alaska. You all think I'm making this up. Okay, tomorrow on the way, or tonight on the way to Skagway, you're going to go round this island right here. This is called Douglas Island. Used to be its very own community. We used to wave at it when we built the bridge in 1935. Now it's part of the city and borough of Juneau. There's nothing over there. There's no grocery stores. There's a laundromat, fish and game. You can get a $47 pizza, but not much. There's only houses on this side. See Gold Creek? That's Gold Creek. That's how we got our name. Anyone from Wisconsin? Nobody. So, Juneau, so conveniently located at the bottom of an avalanche zone. So did you go to the church this time? No. 20 years, it's probably the same guy. Same guy. Amerigas. That's how you're going to cook when you move here, okay? And then to heat your place, it's not going to be a fire. It's going to be, see that tank over there behind the church? We use heating oil. We don't use fireplaces in the valley. They pretty much ban it year-round because of 20,000 people are all burning wood. It's the biggest, it's like living in LA or somewhere. It's just full of little time. At 3:33 here. Now at 5 o'clock, I'm going to pick you up right here. I'm going to try to be a few minutes early, but with this traffic and everything, I don't know. So, one more time.
Pwede maglakad pa panik or elevator.
Juneau, Alaska.
Alas 5.
Yun ang yelo. Nagtatanong isa kung malamig.
Hindi ka yelo.
Oh yeah, this way.
May yelo eh.
Taga-Aida. Sanay sa malamig.
Sabi na ng driver, you'll be fine. Sila kami, Juneau, Alaska. Knock knock. Who's there? Do you know where you're going through? Wale. Who's there?
Saan ba tayo punta?
Knock knock mo?
Ha?
Yun yung knock knock mo?
Tanong mo.
Who's there nga?
Saan ba tayo punta?
Oh my goodness, yung pala yun. Baduy. Wale. Ayan, Glacier Visitor Center. Inubo pa ako. Knock knock. Who's there? Juneau. Juneau who?
Juneau.
Do you know what to do whenever you are here? Naka-record. Pause na po ako. Miya ulit. Ayan po, oh, pwedeng ano. Ang tawag doon.
Yeah. See, look, there's somebody down there.
Start.
Right near that water down there. Please, meron pa.
Ayun po, oh, waterfalls mga kuracha. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Ay! Mababatching. Madudala si Shin. Sensya na po malikot dahil pababa at rough road. Waterfalls, ang lakas. Ito kami, umakyat kami sa start.
Dito sa mapabay ko, di ba? Oo daw. Baka daw kaya.
Video to. Ganda po dito. Wala lang namamaos na ako.
That thing, it was pretty fun. So, you don't sound like you're sold yet. Let me think. 9 years before I was born, so like 30 years ago, whatever, we had a 7.9 earthquake in a place called Lituya Bay. Lituya Bay is 65 miles to our right on the Bering Sea. Very rough, angry weather out there. It's in God's country, by the way. No one's out there. Now, Lituya Bay is about twice as big as where your ship is now. It's a good place to get off the Bering Sea, make a cup of coffee, maybe just let the boat 20, 30 feet. This lady is going to light a cigarette or her weed's legal here. She's proof of that. So they went up and over that wave, and you can find him on YouTube and Google and stuff, and he lives in Ketchikan, I believe. He's a pretty famous show, but yeah, he went up and over top of that thing. 1,900 feet. You should move here. It'll be great. So, because you guys were waiting on, it looks like it's jumping out of the water. That why don't you guys go check that out for a few minutes? You can leave all your stuff on your seats. I'm not going anywhere. Courtney can help take pictures if you want. But you guys go check this thing out.
Wow, dito kami sa Juneau, Alaska. Look. Ganda oh. Hello po.
Doon tayo. Yes. Dali.
Thank you. Courtney. Nagtitinda rin po dito lemonade. Yun. Okay, ang lamig po. Totoo talaga to. Literal na nag-ielo yung sipong ko. Ha? For the sake of YouTube. Ginaw na naiiinaw.
VA hospital is right over there. It's pretty fun. It's wonderful. And if they can't take care of you, they need something a little bit more special. They're going to send you to Anchorage or Seattle. Pick Seattle. It's better shopping. Now, this
Punta na
pier
po
on my
kami ulit
right
sa ship
here,
namin.
Courtney and I have named that thing Patina
Para kumain na
Pier.
naman.
Over 100 years old. That's one of the originals for the steamer. That's what all of downtown looked like back in the day. We have filled all this land.
Nakalimutan ko mag-video mga kuratsa. Early dinner kami or nauubos ko na sa ako naalala. Ayan, lumpia, pansit, at saka Asian food ng motif nila. So, meron ding fried rice, vegetable fried rice, vegetable spring rolls. Alam niyo naman ako, hindi mahilig sa karne. Si Don P, steak yata or ham, sausage. Kinain na rin. Kain tayo. Ang daming pagkain. Later ulit. Tumaba na kami. Ito po, mango tapioca and fruits. Lumipat kami dito sa fine dining. Yan lang kakainin ko. Wow. Kain po ulit. Happy birthday, ate.
Are we gonna sing?
Yes!
It's Miss May's birthday today. Amy! Miss Amy's birthday tonight.
On the count of 3. 47.
Sing and dance.
Birthday. Okay.
No, it's a reverse. 74.
1, 2,
16.
3.
Hey!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy.
Happy birthday to you.
One more time. Mabilis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
All right. Blow your candle.
Wish, madam, wish. Wish, maubos natin yung pagkain natin.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
You're all so sweet. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you po, salamat.
Salamat sa inyo.